Good day, sir. My name is John Luther Francisco, and this is my chosen topic, which is the poverty reduction. So today is going to talk about the poverty reduction. So basically, it's just about doing things to help people, no, para mabawasan yung kahirapan sa ating community and to make their life better. So it's not just about handing out money like yung pagbibigay rights like it's making sure na they can go to school, no, especially to those children na kapos sa palad, then like to see a doctor, especially na din to those people like yung mga senior, yung mga bata na nagkakasakit, then find a work, especially na rin to those unemployed uh, people. So and have what they need, no, to so they can support themselves. So though I know na some of people na sinasabi na problems with it, like yung merong mga problema like na they think na if you help people too much, they might just get used to it and stop like trying. Kumbaga naging independent sila, kumbaga like nagre-rely lang sila sa mga tao na nagbibigay ng mga ayuda, like ganun. So like, or sometimes na yung help it doesn't mean get to people who really need it, like yung mga tulong na dapat para sa mga tao na ibibigay is nabubulsa, kumbaga kinukurap. Ganun ang nangyari sa nangyari ngayon, like dapat tulungan is hindi na lang natutulungan dahil nga hindi sa kanila nade-direct yung mga nabibigay sa kanila, dahil nga sinasabi lang nila na uh, kumbaga sinasabi lang nila na just a quick fix. Kumbaga hindi na resolve yung mga root cause na dapat i-resolve. Also, it costs a lot. So, maybe that the money could be used for other things. So, yun ang mangyayari dapat. So, but wait, look at all the good does, di ba? When people aren't poor anymore, yung kung hindi maging mahirap ang mga tao, they can send their kid to go to school and take care of their health. It make things fair, kumbaga naging fair for the everyone. So when the people have money, they spend only in which help the economy grow. So most of all is it gives them their dignity, back hope for the future. So of course, alam naman natin na if we do the right way, mangyayari lang yun if gagawin natin yung mga good things or right way na dapat sundin. So instead na giving cash, we should teach them skills and create jobs for those people, no, turuan sila like paano mag yung mga ganitong gawain, paano maghanap ng trabaho, yung hindi lang sila nagiging nagre-rely or nagiging independent. Like we need to make sure na everything is clear and honest and plan for long terms, and so the changes actually last. Kumbaga nagtatagal ito, like yung paplano na dapat naglala siya ng matagal. So ganun. So honestly, my reaction of this is about, yeah, I know na there are a lot of challenges, no, but hindi yun reason na para huminto or mag-stop like the idea that people become dependent. So like ganun, like hindi tayo dapat magiging dependent lang sa kung ano yung nasasakupan natin or yung kinakatayuan natin. Dapat matuto tayong tumayo sa kinatatayuan natin. Mangyayari lang yan if the program is done wrong, kung hindi lang mali-mali yung mga ginagawa, like ganun. So if you give them the chance and the tools to improve, is they will work hard and help the community. So dahil nga ang poverty holds everyone back, helping them is not just spending money, it's investing our future. So instead of just complaining kung anong meron or anong nangyari ngayon, why don't we find ways, bakit hindi gawa ng paraan to make it work better, right? Like dapat putulin na yung poverty reduction. Dapat is matuto tayo ngayon paano magdisiplina sa sarili natin, dahil diyan nagsisimula yung pagiging pagbaba pabawasan yung kahirapan, like right, like yung matuto tayo, 'di ba, like maging independent. Hindi dapat tayo mag-rely, dapat bawasan yung paghihirap, dapat bawasan yung naghihirap. Like, need na putulin. So once again, my name is John Luther Francisco po, and this is my chosen topic, which is the poverty reduction.